Hello and welcome to How to Crochet with Sandy K, where I teach you in each video a different crochet stitch. Today we are going to start with the foundation chain, which is, like the name implies, the foundation of every project. If you want to make a blanket, a scarf, a dish towel, dish rag, whatever, this is how you will start. Anything flat and straight, so not like a round coaster. So what you're gonna do is you take your yarn and you're gonna make a slip knot. Start by holding the yarn in either hand like this. Make a loop. If you know how to tie your shoes, you know how to do this. Place your thumb and forefinger between in the loop. Take the yarn that's hanging down, pull it through the loop to create another loop. Okay, that's how you make a slip knot. Then put your yarn through the hook, pull it so it's tight in your non-dominant hand. Take the longer part of your yarn, which is called your working yarn, in between your thumb and index finger, and drape it over the index finger. Take your thumb and index finger, place them on the knot below your slip knot. Make sure your yarn is tight.
Hi.
Hi. My son says hi. Take your hook, put it under the yarn, or you can put your yarn over the hook. Doesn't matter, just as long as it looks like this. Take the yarn, pull it through. The foundation chain is going to be however many stitches it takes to get to the length or width of what you want your project to be. So just for the sake of this, I'm going to make it 5. So that was 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, and thank you so much for watching the first part of the tutorial. Tomorrow we will learn how to make a slip stitch. So come back, and I am very sorry about my son. He decided he wanted to make his presence known. So once again, see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, go ahead and comment your favorite movie. My favorite movie, I don't really know anymore. It used to be The Butterfly Effect, but it's been a while since I've seen that, so maybe not. I don't really watch a lot of movies, but what's your favorite movie? Remember to like and follow.